So let me quickly recap it. What I talked about is what is data engineering. We talked about three categories of people or team or applications that are data intensive applications that are built in the industry. The first category is operational systems, which are also known as data producers or data owners. The third category is data consumers. These are mainly responsible for optimizing and growing the business. These guys are mostly fall into the space where we call them either data scientists or data analysts or business analysts or people who think about optimizing and growing the business, and they want to do everything based on the data. They want to make data driven decisions, or they want to build systems which will automatically take data driven decisions, right? And for these guys, input comes from these systems and output again goes back to these systems, because whatever optimization or growth system they are building, that affects these guys, right? And data engineers sit in the middle to connect these guys with the data within a specified time at a specified data quality, producing data models for which best suits these guys. So that's where data engineering is. And data engineering activities or data engineering projects are classified into three functions. One is data ingestion, where we whole sole responsibility or whole sole end goal is to consume data from these systems and bring it into data engineering platform. That is what we call data ingestion. The second one is data processing, so or data transformation, which once data is consumed, we prepare it for these guys to consume and keep it in the data engineering platform. And the third function is facilitating data consumption for these guys. Facilitating means these guys might come up with the requirement, okay, I need a JDBC connection to your database and pull data from your data source. So help me with the JDBC connection. You prepare and keep data at a place where I can connect it through JDBC. Or they might come that we are building an app which requires to call or pull data over a REST API. So you keep data in a place, build a system which supports REST API to consume the data. Or they might come up with that, okay, we need a facility to download the files in CSV files, or download Excel files, or download some other kind of file format for our applications to consume on so and so frequency. So you need to design your system in a way so that they can download files. So that's what we mean by facilitating the data consumption. We think how our consumers want to consume that data, what kind of system should I build so that they can consume it the way they want, or they can consume it using the technology they want to use for data consumption. So these are three functions, and that's what we do in the data processing. There are three approaches for building data engineering projects: batch processing approach, real-time stream processing approach, and near real-time stream processing approach. So that's what I talked maybe in 1 hour.